Hello, welcome to Grohubz. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first automation on Grohubz, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Grohubz. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the website, click the Create Free Account button. Next, click Continue with Google and complete the sign up process. Great! After signing up, you'll be redirected to the Grohubz dashboard. Before we can create any automation, we need to connect our Instagram account. Simply click the Connect Instagram button. A pop-up will appear. Click Allow and wait a few seconds. That's it. Your Instagram account will be connected successfully. Once connected, you'll return to the dashboard and you'll see your Instagram username displayed at the top. Now let's create our first automation. From the sidebar, click on Automations. Here you'll find multiple automation types that you can set up based on your needs. For this example, we'll set up the most popular automation, Reel Automation. Click on the Reel Automation card. You'll now see all of your Instagram Reels and posts. Select the reel where you want to enable automation. The automation setup page will open. First, enter an automation name. Then scroll down and add your keyword. Below that, enter the message you want users to receive and click the Add button. Now scroll down a little further. These options are the comment reply messages. The system sends them in a random order to users. Very soon, we'll make these fully editable so you can customize them however you'd like. Once you're done, click Next. On this page, you can add a CTA or call to action. For this example, we'll add a simple CTA. If you scroll down further, you'll also have the option to attach media such as images, videos, PDFs, and more. We don't need any media right now, so let's click Next Step. Now we're on step 3. Here you'll see two powerful features, Follow Gate and Lead Gate. If you enable Follow Gate, users who are not following your account will be asked to follow you before receiving the automated reply. Once they follow your account, they'll automatically receive the message. The second feature is Lead Gate. Lead Gate allows you to collect user information such as email addresses or phone numbers. When someone comments on your reel, the system can ask for their email address or phone number before sending the automated reply. Only after they provide the required information will the reply be delivered. For this example, we'll keep Lead Gate turned off and enable only the Follow Gate option. After that, click Launch Campaign to save and activate your automation. Awesome! Now let's see how it works. When someone comments on your reel, Grohubz will automatically send them a DM after a few seconds. If the person isn't following your account, the system will first send a Follow Gate request. Once they follow your account and return to the conversation, they'll receive the automated reply automatically. Now let's learn how to set up DM automation. Go back to the automations page and click on the DM automation card. Next, click Create DM Brain. Here you can even configure AI-powered responses. To do that, simply go to the AI Tools section and provide some information about your business, product, or service. The AI can then generate intelligent replies based on that information. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use keyword-based replies. Scroll down and set a default message. This message will be sent whenever a user sends a DM that doesn't match any of your keywords. After that, click Launch Campaign to activate the automation. So how does it work? Whenever someone sends a DM containing one of your configured keywords, Grohubz will instantly send the appropriate automated reply. And that's it. Using the same process, you can also set up story automation, story mention automation, live automation, and more than 10 other powerful automations available inside Grohubz. Thank you for watching and happy automating with Grohubz.